Well, and now today I will show you a new you how to make your YouTube thumbnail pictures. I will make this YouTube video tutorial big, so you will not escape. If you will escape, you cannot understand what I am understand you. First of all, you will open your PixelLab app. PixelLab app. When you will open, you will see like this one space. You can choose, because you choose you will choose image size for YouTube thumbnail. You will see here many section: YouTube channel banner, YouTube thumbnail, Facebook cover art, Google Plus. PixelLab have many qualities. That's why I will see you today. I will see you only YouTube thumbnail. Yes, YouTube thumbnail, and then you will do OK, and then you will choose any picture as you want. I will choose this one 3D, and then you can make YouTube thumbnail. Yes, this thumbnail for YouTube. Hello friends, today I will show you how to make your YouTube channel thumbnail. How to make beautiful YouTube thumbnail. First of all, we use already PixelLab, just like this one. When it's open, you will find this interface, and then you can use in this PixelLab as you want. I select this one white. You can also select 3D, green, as you want. Suppose I want this text, and you can also write anything in this 3D text, like I will edit welcome. Okay, you will see very nice written welcome, and you can also its size less and like this one. It's looking very nice. You can also see, and you can also add any picture from gallery as I select, and then you will open as you want picture to add in this thumbnail. I like this one. Okay, you can add anything as you want. Yes, you can write also another if you want, as you want. I like another, my beauty YouTube. Okay, and now you can also it's edit in color. First I want to change its font. You can I like Chung 5. Okay, and now you can also its background make as you want. Red, this one, purple, below, as you want. You can also choose background of your text. And now you can also its size less or more as you want, but I like this one. If you want to more beautiful of this sentence, you can also use texture. You can make very beautiful words as you want. I select suppose color, this one, crop as you want, and you will see beautiful. Yes, you can also make beautiful, use stock as I want, and you will see it's looking more beautiful. You can also red, white, any color as you want. Yes, I also make different color. It's looking very nice, but you will see it's looking very nice because it is brightness is well, and you can also stock more and less. I think it's looking more nice and more. Yes, okay. PixelLab, I always make my thumbnail of this PixelLab app, and you can also use another picture if you want. I will select in gallery. Okay, I will choose another. I will take this one picture. No, it is looking not good. I select another picture so that thumbnail should be looking very nice. Otherwise I will another picture of kite, select. We can adjust anywhere as you want. You can make beautiful. Yes, I will adjust this one, and you will see this thumbnail is looking very nice. You can also make for your YouTube channel of this thumbnail. This PixelLab app is very nice for anything, and you can save it in gallery, export image, save to gallery. It's has been saved. If you want to save in other folder, you can also save for this share option, like WhatsApp, any app you can select. I will select this one, and you can also select any suppose I like this one,